Click on the link below to get price. The Apple iPhone 16 Plus, 128GB in black from T-Mobile, especially when renewed, presents an impressive blend of functionality and value. Upon unboxing, the device feels premium, maintaining Apple's signature sleek design that has become synonymous with luxury. The black finish is elegant and versatile, appealing to a wide range of users. Performance-wise, the iPhone 16 Plus is equipped with the A16 Bionic chip, ensuring lightning-fast processing speeds. Whether you're gaming, streaming videos, or multitasking between apps, the device handles everything with ease. The 128GB storage capacity is ample for most users, accommodating a plethora of apps, photos, and videos without the need for constant management or deletion, making it a practical choice for those who love to capture moments on the go. The camera system is another highlight, featuring advanced computational photography capabilities that result in stunning photos even in low-light conditions. The ProRAW and ProRes video recording options elevate content creation, making this phone a perfect tool for influencers or anyone passionate about photography and videography. The display is gorgeous, boasting a Super Retina XDR OLED screen that delivers vibrant colors and deep contrasts, enhancing the viewing experience for movies and games alike. Battery life is commendable. The iPhone 16 Plus can easily last a full day of heavy use, and with the added convenience of MagSafe charging, refueling the device is hassle-free. Opting for a renewed product is a smart decision for budget-conscious consumers. This particular unit underwent rigorous testing and refurbishment, meaning you get a high-quality device without the brand-new price tag. As a result, it's a fantastic way to experience Apple's ecosystem without breaking the bank. Overall, the Apple iPhone 16 Plus, 128GB in black from T-Mobile, renewed, is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a powerful smartphone that combines style, superior performance, and great value.